Okay, good day, class. So our topic for today is about solving word problems involving quadratic equations. Okay, so we have an example for number one. Okay, so find the two positive numbers. Wait lang, ano ba to? Ayaw lumabas. Find two positive numbers whose difference is 2 and whose product is 48. So first step po is to find your bigger number, which is let yung solution natin. Solution. So let x be the first or the larger number, and then lagi yan ha, si x is your larger number or the bigger number. And then si 2, x minus 2, kasi ito yung x mo, yung larger number. So whose difference is 2, so ima-minus mo ngayon. So x minus 2, this will be your smaller number. Okay. So again, yung x natin, siya yung larger number and yung x minus 2 is the smaller number. And then, so quadratic equation natin, laging yung tatandaan na yung ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ito ang standard form ng quadratic equation. So now, we will multiply si x, si larger number, kay x minus 2 and equal to 48. Kasi nga, whose product is 48. Pag minultiply mo si x and x minus 2, the product is 48. So, x times x minus 2 is equal to 48. So, x times x ay x squared, and then x times negative 2 is negative 2x and equal to 48. So, hindi pa tayo naka-quadratic equation. So, pwede natin siyang i-transpose dito or use APE. So to use APA, we will subtract 48 here. Then dito naman negative 4, minus 48. So now, magkakaroon na tayo ng x squared minus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. So naka-standard equation na tayo. And then we will get the factors of negative 48 na ang sum ay negative. So that would be the 8 and negative 8 and 6. And 6. So negative 8 times 6 is negative 48 and negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. So ito na ngayon yung factors natin. Then the solution sets or the roots are x is equal to 8. Positive na siya since negative yung iyong factors. And x is equal to negative 6. So now, sabi kasi dito, two positive numbers daw. Two positive numbers. Eh, meron tayong negative dito. So, get natin yung positive 8 na to. So, checking muna tayo. Checking. So, balikan natin yung if x is equal to 8. If x is equal to 8, and then balikan, ito yung larger number natin. So, x minus 2, para mahanap natin yung smaller number, ito, si x minus 2. Substitute lang natin si 8 dito sa x. So, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So, therefore, ang ating two positive numbers ay si 8 and si 6. Hindi pwedeng negative 6 kasi negative number yan. So, positive daw, positive. So, 8 times 6 ay 48. Okay. And the difference between them, kunyari 8 minus 6 is 2. Right. So, clear tayo dyan. Alright, let's proceed to new problem. Problem number 2. Mhm. Okay. Find two numbers whose sum is 13 and product is 36. So, ganun ulit yan. So, solution, let x be your larger number. Let x be your larger number. And then, ito yung larger number mo, di ba? Si x. Okay. Then, find the two numbers whose sum is 13. Ang sum daw nila ay, pag inad mo daw ay 13 and ang product is 36. So, yung smaller number would be 13 minus x. Okay, so 13 minus x is your smaller number. Smaller number. Okay. And then, ang sum nila is, at the product is 36. Pag minultiply mo sila, 36 daw. So, balikan natin. So, x times 13 minus x is equal to 36. And then simply multiply. X times 13 is 13x. And then 13 times negative x is negative x squared is equal to 36. And then, lipat natin. Pwedeng itong si negative x squared na lang ililipat ko sa kabila para maging positive siya. Okay, so ito ang ililipat ko sa kabila. So, bali magiging equal sign, di ba? So, magiging positive si x, negative x squared. Si 13x pag nilipat ko, so magiging negative 13x. And then si 36, since hindi mo naman siya nilipat, bring down mo lang siya, plus 36. So, nandito yung 0. So, okay lang naman yan kung ang 0 mo ay nandito sa left side. Paano kung naman si 36 ang nilipat ko sa kabila? Sige, ipakita ko lang din na equal lang din sila. Okay. So, dito lang muna si negative x squared. And then si 13x ay positive. Si 36 naman ang ililipat ko. So, magiging negative 36. And then equal to 0. And then, dahil negative nga ang leading coefficient mo, so i-multiply mo yan by negative sign. Saka ka ngayon mag-change sign. Lahat na nasa loob ng parentheses. So, ito ay magiging positive x squared, negative 13x, at positive 36 is equal to 0. So, same lang sila. X squared minus 13x plus 36, same lang. Alright, so dahil meron na tayong naka-quadratic equation na tayo, so pwede na tayo mag-factor. Ito na lang ang gagamitin ko. Factor ng 36 na kapag kinuha mo yung sum ay negative 13. So, this is 9 and 4. Pero negative pareho. Kasi pag negative pareho, magiging positive yan. Negative 9 times negative 4 is positive 36. And then negative 9 plus negative 4 ay negative 30. So, ito na yung factors niya. So, x minus 9 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. And then, the solution sets niya ay positive 9 and positive 4. So, babalikan mo lang ulit. Find two numbers whose sum is 13. Pag inad ko sila, 9 and 4 ay 13. And then, ang product nila is 36. Pag minultiply ko sila ay 36. So, ay tayo dito. Next. Okay, last example. So, we have the illustration of a rectangle. So, the area of a rectangle is 28 cm squared. So, lagay muna natin yung mga given natin dito. Area is equal to 28 cm squared. Find its width. So, nawawala si W. Find its width if the perimeter is, so may perimeter tayong 22 cm. So, ang ating formula in getting the area ay area is equal to length times width. And yung perimeter naman is 2 times length plus 2 times width. And yung mga let x be your width. May papalitan natin yung x na, ang width natin ng x ha. And then find L, find length. So, pagka hahanapin mo yung length, eto ka muna, focus ka muna dito. So, bali magiging P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So, itong W na to, papalitan natin siya ng 2X. X. So, kasi nga, let X be your width. So, pinalitan ko muna siya ha. And then, so, let's solve for find L. Find L muna. Given yung P natin, meron tayong P na 22 cm. So, 22 is equal to 2L plus 2X. So, ang hinahanap natin ay si length. So, si 2X, ililipat ko muna siya sa kabila. So, bali magiging 22 minus 2X. Nilipat ko to doon. K is equal to 2L. Naging negative na ha, si 2X mo ha. Again, si X saan to galing? Dito po. Let X be your width. So, yung width natin, yung W natin, pinalitan ko lang ng X. Kasi nga mama, isa-solve natin yung X na yan, kung ano man yan. Okay, so ito na tayo. So 2x nilipat ko sa kabila, naging 22 minus 2x. Si 22 galing siya sa perimeter. Okay, and then, so para matanggal lang 2 at L na lang ang maiwan, so i-divide ko to by 2, divide by 2, so cancel. So we have length is equal to 22 minus 2x over 2. Meron na tayong formula. Hindi pa naman ito talaga yung final answer, pero ito na yung formula of L natin para mahanap natin mamaya. Okay, and then, kung tapos na tayo sa perimeter, gagamitin natin si area. Area is equal to length times width. May given tayo na area, right? Which is 28. Substitute. Is equal to, ang L natin na gagamitin ay ito na. So, ang L natin ay 22 minus 2x over 2. Yan ang L mo ha, yan ang L. Times width. So, yung width natin ay x, di ba? Huwag kang magda-W dito kasi kapag nag-W ka na, wala na. X times W ka na yan. So, ang W natin, pinalitan natin ng X para nga ma-solve natin yung equation, to quadratic equation. So, now, meron tayong denominator na 2. Kailangan yan matanggal. Okay, so i-divide natin, i-multiply natin to by 2 kung ano ang ating denominator. So, 2 times 28 ay 56. 56 is equal to, so dahil may 2 ka dito, at 2 yan, makakancel na yan. So, simple cancel, cancel. Bring down mo sa C, 22 minus 2x times x. May x ka pa dito sa labas eh. Saka mo ngayon, i-multiply isa-isa. So, 56 is equal to, x times 22 ay 22x, and x times negative 2x ay negative 2x squared. And then, ilipat na natin para maging quadratic na sila. So, bale, magiging ito, pag nilipat ko sa kabila, magiging 2x squared. Ito din, si 22x, magiging minus 22x. And then, plus 56 is equal to 0. And then, para masimplify pa to, i-divide natin by 2. Divide natin by 2 kasi kung ano yung leading coefficient, dun mo siya i-divide. Divide by 2. So, para x squared na lang ang maiwan. So, x squared minus 2 divided by 2 ha, 1 na lang yun. So, x squared. The negative 22 divided 2 ay negative 11x. 56 divided 2 ay 28 positive is equal to 0. Now, kahanapin na natin yung factors ng 28. Okay. So, ano ang factor? Factors ng 28 na kapag kinuha mo yung sum ay negative 11. So, this is negative 7 and negative 4. Negative 7 and negative 4. Pag binultiply natin sila, negative 7 times negative 4 ay positive 28. And then, pag inad natin sila, negative 11. So, ang factors natin ay negative 7 and negative 4. Ang solution sets natin ay x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 4. Now, ang tinatanong dito is find the width. Find its width. Ang width, ang part ng rectangle glass, si width ang pinakamababa ha. Si width ang pinakamababa. So, ang hahanap, kasi pinakamababa dito, siya yung width. So, this is the width. TH. Then, ito ang ating length, CL, 7. So, therefore, the width is 4 cm. Yan. Okay, thank you. Bye.